Good morning, everybody. This is Seth with MK Carpet Cleaning. I want to show you real quick what we're getting into this Saturday morning. We're at a church here in Greensboro. We'll be cleaning some of the hallways and then a couple of the classrooms. You can see there's a couple of spots and a couple of stains through here. Mostly just spots. You can see there with drink spills and stuff. You get right through here. And this back hallway in here. One of the classrooms in here we're getting. And I got my little helper with me, Kenzie. Say hey. You can see there's a couple of spots right there. In there, and then we'll come through here, get that hallway down there. Come right in through here. And we may get that classroom in there if we have time, but we're going to get in here with the nursery. A lot of kids on the floor, crawling around and stuff, so we want to get through there, get these spots. It's not too bad in that area over there, so we'll probably leave it alone. But we'll be here for a couple hours cleaning it up. We'll post another video once we get finished and show you what it looks like afterwards. So, stay tuned. Alright, we are finished up. Show you real quick, everything looks like it came out. Don't see any spots. These carpets through here, pretty much dry. We're coming right through here. And looking back, you can see everything looks like it's come out pretty good. And like I said, these carpets are completely dry through here. We did this room right in through here too. Show you real quick. Not much really to show. It wasn't really that many spots or stains. Just a few. A few spots maybe, but nothing major. And if we're coming through here, we'll show you the nursery that we did. It had a lot of spots and stuff, obviously, with little kids running around, baby food and stuff spilling. But let's see how dry these carpets are. Yeah, they're almost dry. We put the air movers in here to help them dry up. But that is pretty much it. We're done for this rainy Saturday. I appreciate Kenzie helping me out too. She was a big help.